Hello students, Jai Swaminarayan. Thought of the day. Everything is easy if you are crazy. Nothing will be easy if you are lazy. Students, the work become easy if we are eager to do that. If we are active to do that. If we are excited to do that. But the work will never be easy if we are lazy, if we don't want to do that, if we find excuses, then that work will be not easy for you people, right? For everyone the work will be easy only if we are showing the eagerness to learn or to do any other activity. So what we need to do, we need to become active. Okay, we should be active, we should not be lazy. Okay students. Hello students. Today in this session of English we are going to continue with chapter number 2, that is exploring puzzles. In previous session we have already started the chapter and we have talked about puzzles by stories of Akbar and Birbal. Right? So today we are going to start with one beautiful poem, that is It's a Puzzle, written by Alan Alberg. Okay, it's a very beautiful poem. As I told you that story has puzzle, questions has puzzle. In the same way, even poems has puzzles. It's a very beautiful poem of two friends. Okay, of two friends. Okay. Now, both are friends, but both are in puzzles, right? How that we are going to learn. So the poet is saying that in the first stanza, the poet is saying, my friend is not my friend anymore. She had secrets from me and goes about with Tracy Hackett. Now here students, the poet, for example, if he is a poet and poet's friend. Okay, now both are good friend. Poet has a good friend, okay, with him, but that friend is not poet's friend anymore. She started having secrets with her, right? She stopped sharing the things. Now we have many friends in our life, right? We used to share our ideas, we used to share our thoughts, we used to share our secrets with them. So in the same way, the poet has also told many secrets to his, is not his friend now, right? So here the poet is worried that now I have many secrets with her, but she is not my friend now, right? So the friend is worried, the poet is worried and saying that, and goes about with Tracy Hackett. Goes about with Tracy Hackett means Tracy Hackett is the name of another person, okay, another friend we can say. So here the poet is insecure that his friend started talking to other friend, that is Tracy Hackett, and she is knowing many secrets about the poet, right? So the poet is little insecure that now she is not my friend, and she started talking and sharing her secrets to Tracy Hackett. So this is about first stanza. My friend is not my friend anymore. She has secret from me. Means she is hiding many secrets from me. Now she is not sharing her secrets with me and goes about with Tracy Hackett. Okay. Now in the second stanza, I would get her back, only do not want to say so. So I pretend to have secrets from her and go about with Alice Banks. Now here, what? Now you also might be having many friends, but after, if you had a fight with your friend, what you want? You want to sort it out. You want your friend back, right? Yes or no? So in the same way, even the poet want her friend back with him, but what he is doing this in front of her. What he is pretending that I am okay if you are not friend with me, but inside her heart, she means the poet wants her to be his friend, right? So what the poet is doing, the poet is pretending that he is not caring. And the poet goes with Alice Bank. Alice Bank is the name of other person. So here even the poet is pretending that I am sharing my secrets with Alice Bank. Right, so this is about second stanza, that is I would get her back, means the poet want her friend back, right? But I would get her back, only do want to say so, but the poet don't want to say this. So what he is pretending that he don't care if she is not his friend, right? So what he did, he started sharing his secret to Alice Bank, right? So this is about second stanza. But next, but what bothers me is, maybe she is pretending and would like me back, only does not want to say so. Now in the third stanza, what the poet is saying, that what, it's a puzzle for me, that what if even she is pretending, so if even she is pretending the what I am pretending, right, what I am thinking, but what if he is not, or what if she is not sharing it with me like I am doing, right? So this is in poet's mind, that what if she is pretending but not saying, right? So that is why what poets want her friend to be back in his life. Okay, why? Because he is thinking that what if she is pretending to be his friend, right? Now in fourth stanza, the poet is trying to say, in which case maybe it bothers her that I am pretending, but if we are both pretending, then we are really we are friends and do not know it. Now here the poet is saying, what if we both are pretending? What we both are pretending and not coming to each other, not coming face to face, not communicating with each other, and just we are pretending that he will call me, or he will, or she will call me, or he will come to me, or she will come to me, right? So what if what if we both are pretending and not talking to each other, right? This is the puzzle in poet's mind. Okay, on the other hand, how can we be friends and have secrets from each other and go about with other people? Now here in next stanza, the poet is saying that if we both are pretending, then we are real friends, but how we can be friends if we are going to other person, if we are sharing our secrets with other person? For example, poet's friends started sharing her secret with Tracy Hackett, while poet started sharing his secret with Alice Bank, right? So again there is puzzle in poet's mind, that how can it be possible, if we are good friends, then how can we share our secrets with other person? So these are what all the puzzles in the mind of poet. Okay, now last stanza, my friend is not my friend anymore unless she is pretending. I cannot think what to do. It is a puzzle. It means the poet is saying that it is a puzzle for me if she is not pretending, right? If she is not pretending, so, and if she moves on, right? If she don't want to come back, if she is not pretending, then it's a puzzle for a poet to know about the feeling of his friend. So this is the beautiful poem. It's a puzzle, right? In our day-to-day life also, it happens with us. We have many friends. We have best friends, right? With our best friend, we used to share all the things, right? We used to share our secrets. We used to share our whatever happens with us, right? We used to share everything. What if that best friend goes to another friend and started talking? What you will do? You will feel insecure, right? And what you will do, even you will start talking with other friend, right? So here what is there? There is this distance between you people, because you both started talking with others, right? So it's a puzzle. What if both are pretending? What if both wants to come back and both wants to become friend again? It's a puzzle in the mind. Now we are going to start with activity 9. It's all about 5 things we still don't know. It means it's still puzzle for everyone. Right? Now we think that doctors, scientists, researchers, teachers, they know everything. But it's not true. Right? It's not true. They used to do the research, they used to learn more and more things. Even they are learning. They don't know anything, but they are learning. They used to do the research on particular work. So these are the things that are still it's difficult to find the fact of these things. Now for example, if we talk about doctors, even doctors used to do research on deadly diseases. Just for example, cancer. If we take current example, we can take example of corona, right? So these are deadly disease. Okay, for that doctors are doing research. They are not god, right? They are not god that they can find the medicines and we will be safe. No, they have to do the research, they have to try it, and after that they can implement it, right? So some deadly disease are still means the doctors are still finding the research to stop it, to eradicate it, to increase the stamina in the people, right? So doctors are doing many research for such deadly disease, right? So this is also a puzzle for doctors, right? If we talk about dreams, many researchers and scientists are working on it, that why we people used to have why we people used to dream while we are sleeping. हमें ड्रीम क्यों आता है, राइट? दिस इज अ बिग पजल फॉर इवन द साइंटिस्ट एंड रिसर्चर, दैट दे आर स्टिल सर्चिंग एंड फाइंडिंग वे दैट व्हाई इट इज सो, right? Is it a human psychology, or is it any other problem or any other disease or something else, right? So here still scientists and researchers are working on it, that why we have dreams while we are sleeping. Next is in manuscript, right? In ancient we have learned, if we have learned about history, right? In sources of history we have learned about manuscript, right? Manuscript is what is a tadpatra, and is a writing, right, written on the tadpatra and bhojpatra, that is palm leaves, okay, or bark of a tree, right? So many strange plants were found, right? And even many paintings were found, but on that strange plant, which language they have written is in such plant, the archaeologists are still finding that language, that what they have written, in which language they have written. So it's a puzzle, right? Now in this same way, people are eager to know the deepest part of the oceans. As I told you, oceans are deep, but still we are not we don't know about, means there is no conclusion about how deep oceans are, right? It's a puzzle, right? The last dive that one person did, right, was 7 miles, I guess. Yes, 7 miles below the earth's surface. But we can't conclude that it's only 7 miles below. So this all are the examples of some puzzles in our day-to-day life. We feel that doctors, teachers, researchers, scientists, they know everything, but it's not true. Even they are human being, they are learning, they are getting the knowledge. It's even puzzle for them and they are solving it, right? So what we have learned in this chapter, we have learned about the story of Akbar and Birbal. We have learned about a beautiful poem of a friend, of two friends. We have learned about the researchers, about the scientists, about the fact that we people still it's a puzzle. So this chapter is all about puzzles in our day-to-day life. Okay students, so in this way we have completed the chapter. In next session we are going to, so means I will explain you the question answers of this chapter and you have to write that question answers in your notebook.